Honda HR-V, where practicality meets your every desire. Awarded Car of the Year by Nigerian auto journalists. Assembled in Nigeria to set the standard. Apple or Android integration with convenience and safety. Aircon to conserve fuel, brake hold and parking brake for a smarter drive. Maximize interior space for personal effects. Cargo space with multiple configurations. Optimal air circulation for everyone. Assures enhanced visibility and safety. Smart One Touch with hidden key entry. Automatic fold with turn signal indicators. Faster response time and longer light lifespan. Lightweight alloy to improve fuel efficiency. Sufficient height for improved stability. Honda HR-V, the standard of SUVs. With a 5 years free service and warranty, visit honda.com.ng to book a test drive.